Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of wood wall art with LED lights ideas to make money fast as a woodworker. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Creating wood wall art with LED lights presents an exciting opportunity for woodworkers looking to blend craftsmanship with innovative design. This combination not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of any space, but also offers a functional component that can attract a range of customers. The unique allure of wood adds warmth and texture, while LED lights provide a modern, eye-catching element that can transform ordinary art into extraordinary display pieces. The process begins with choosing the right type of wood. Selecting high-quality materials is essential, as it impacts both the final appearance and durability of the artwork. Softwoods such as pine or cedar are easy to work with, while hardwoods like oak or walnut offer a more luxurious finish. The choice of wood can contribute to the overall design, allowing for contrasts in color and texture that can further enhance the final piece. Each type of wood carries its own unique grain patterns, offering artists the chance to create one-of-a-kind works that resonate with buyers looking for originality. When crafting wood wall art, it's essential to conceptualize a design that integrates LED lights effectively. The interplay of light and wood can create captivating effects, emphasizing certain features of the piece. For instance, consider incorporating a geometric design that allows light to filter through gaps in the wood, casting intriguing shadows on the wall. This layering technique can add depth and interest, transforming a simple piece into a dynamic conversation starter. Additionally, there are numerous design themes to explore. Nature-inspired designs such as trees, mountains, or waves resonate with many consumers seeking to bring the outdoors inside. By using reclaimed wood, artisans can emphasize the eco-friendly aspect of the piece, appealing to those interested in sustainable living. The integration of LED lights can highlight contours of these designs, allowing the natural beauty of the wood to shine through while creating an ambient glow. Another imaginative approach is to create abstract designs or art pieces that incorporate different shapes and layers. Using contrasting colors and textures can make the piece more visually engaging. LED lights can be installed behind or within these layers, illuminating the artwork and creating mesmerizing effects. This not only enhances the look of the art, but also contributes to the overall ambience of the space, attracting buyers looking for unique decor that evokes emotion and mood. In terms of construction, the process involves careful planning and execution. Begin by sketching the design to determine how the wooden elements will be arranged and where the LED lights will be placed. Mapping out the placement of the lights is critical, as this will influence how the final piece interacts with the surrounding environment. Use a combination of measuring tools and guides to ensure precision during the cutting and assembly process. Once the design is complete, it's time to cut the wooden pieces. Utilizing a table saw, jigsaw, or bandsaw can yield intricate shapes while maintaining accuracy. Sanding each piece is essential to achieve a smooth finish, as rough edges can detract from the overall aesthetics and safety of the artwork. Paying attention to detail during this stage will make a significant difference in the quality of the final product. After cutting, the next step is to assemble the artwork, ensuring that the pieces fit together seamlessly. This stage may involve using wood glue, screws, or other fasteners to secure the elements. For added stability and durability, consider reinforcing the back of the piece with a plywood backing. This not only provides structural support, but can also serve as an area for attaching LED lights. When it comes to illuminating the artwork, LED strips offer a versatile and user-friendly option. They are available in various lengths, colors, and designs, allowing artisans to customize their piece to suit a specific aesthetic. For instance, warm white lights can create a cozy ambience, while colored lights can add a playful touch. Strip lights can be adhered directly to the back of the artwork, creating an even glow that enhances the design without being overwhelming. Controlling the lighting can also be important. Many LED strips come with remote controls or dimmers, providing users with the flexibility to adjust brightness and color according to their preferences. This feature can be a selling point for potential buyers, as it adds a level of personalization to the artwork. Including instructions on how to operate the lights and offering options for battery-operated lights can increase the appeal to customers looking for easy-to-install decor. Marketing wood wall art with LED lights is crucial for maximizing visibility and sales potential. Start by establishing a strong online presence. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest, where visual aesthetics play a significant role to showcase your creations. High-quality images that highlight the intricate details, textures, and lighting effects can draw in potential customers. Storytelling is also an essential factor. Sharing the inspiration behind each piece can create a connection with your audience, making your art more relatable and desirable. Consider also creating video content that demonstrates the process of making your wood wall art. Time-lapse videos of the creation process can captivate viewers, providing insight into the craftsmanship involved. Showing how the LED lights transform the piece can further entice potential buyers by providing a dynamic perspective of your artwork. These visual storytelling methods can enhance customer engagement and encourage broader sharing of your work. Participating in local craft fairs, farmers markets, or art exhibitions can provide an avenue for direct sales. These events allow you to meet customers face-to-face, build relationships, and receive immediate feedback on your work. Setting up an attractive booth that showcases the lighting effects of your wood art can create an inviting atmosphere that encourages visitors to explore and purchase. As you establish your business, consider collaborating with local interior designers or home decor stores to display your artwork. This can help expand your reach and tap into a network of potential customers who appreciate unique handmade pieces. Creating relationships with local businesses can lead to commissioned pieces, further diversifying your income. Pricing your wood wall art appropriately is essential for profitability. Factors such as the cost of materials, the time invested in creating each piece, and the uniqueness of your designs should all be considered. Researching the market to understand the price range for similar items can provide valuable insight. Transparency about the materials used and the crafting process can justify the price point while highlighting the value of handmade artwork. Once you have established your products and marketing strategy, consider expanding your line to include variations of your designs. Offering different sizes and styles can attract a broader audience. Custom commissions can also be an excellent way to create opportunities for high-profit projects, as they allow you to create tailored items for clients seeking something specific. In summary, wood wall art with LED lights represents a unique blend of creativity, functionality, and marketability. By harnessing the natural beauty of wood and combining it with innovative lighting solutions, you can create captivating pieces that resonate with home decorators and art enthusiasts alike. With thoughtful design, skilled craftsmanship, and effective marketing strategies, woodworkers can not only express their artistic vision, but also cultivate a profitable business venture that brings beauty and light into people's homes. Each piece serves not only as decor, but also as a testament to the intricate artistry of woodworking, showcasing the harmony between nature and modern technology. As you embark on this journey, embrace the possibilities that wood wall art with LED lights has to offer, and watch your passion flourish into a successful enterprise. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked wood wall art with LED lights ideas to make money fast as a woodworker. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.